Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the TransTEC Laser HD, a 5-inch racing frame which is specially designed for the DJI Digital HD system. In this video I'm going to go over the frame features and specs, and soon I'm going to feature it in a build video. Inside the box of the TransTEC Laser HD frame you can find the assembly guide, which is written both in English and Chinese, some stickers, all the needed spacers and screws, which as you can see are nicely packed and well labeled, the carbon fiber parts of the frame, which are packed inside a shrink wrap, 3 zip ties, a battery anti-skid sticker, 3D printed TPU parts for mounting the DJI camera unit and the DJI antennas, 2 high-quality battery velcro straps, and finally this double-sided sticker, which will enable you to secure the DJI Air unit to the top plate of the frame. In order to assemble the frame, first of all mount the 3D printed TPU antenna mount to the top plate. Then using the double-sided tape, secure the DJI Air unit to the top plate and make sure that its flat side faces up. Then secure the DJI camera to the side 3D printed TPU mounts using 4 M2 screws and assemble the rest of the frame according to this diagram. Here you can see a couple of photos that might help you out when assembling the frame. The weight of the TransTEC Laser HD frame is 86.3 grams, so that's pretty light. Its wheelbase is 220 mm. The distance between the left motors and the right ones is 147 mm. And the distance between the back motors to the front ones is 167 mm, so this frame features a stretch X pattern. In addition, the thickness of each replaceable arm is 5 mm. Its width is 8.5 mm. And it's compatible with 22 and 23 Wix motors. The thickness of the bottom plate is 4 mm, so it's pretty robust as well, and the thickness of the top plate is 2.5 mm. On the bottom plate you can find both 20 by 20 and 30.5 by 30.5 mm mounts, and the distance between the bottom plate and the top one is 37 mm, so even after installing the DJI Air unit on the top, it's going to leave you with about 22.7 mm of space, so it's going to be pretty easy to install a 4-in-1 ESC and a flight controller beneath the Air unit. After installing the DJI camera, you'll be able to slightly adjust its angle, and as you can see, the 3D printed TPU mounts are going to offer some decent protection for the camera lens. So that's going to be it for this pretty short overview of the TransTEC Laser HD frame. And as far as I can tell, this is a well-designed frame and it features high-quality carbon fiber parts. As I mentioned before, soon I'm going to feature this frame in a build video, so stay tuned. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.